You say you don't do anything.
Ah, Beggy, leave all these boys. I don't trust them. Oh. Maybe after they pursue and come out for beauty palace, he not gonna see money thief again. He enter Yahoo.
Hassan, my name is Adaku. I be the pedicurist for here, the original one.
How about Adaku? How far now?
I did find you.
Adaku, Shebi, you have seen him now. He's not a Yahoo boy.
What do you see for him body? Hey, that girl went off her. She long. She can't fat. She can't get big head like a gamma lizard.
Okay, so if you insist, I will just call the company that offered you the 25 million and tell them you're not interested.
What did they talk?
Anything she wants, she must to get. Oh, Jenifas, she no degree at all. Oh, Jenifas, anything I do, she must to try. Oh, Jenifas, if I want to go to school. Oh, Jenifas, anything she wants, she must to collect. Oh, Jenifas, oh, they join, don't love these girls. Oh, Jenifas, what's it go? Waka bridge. Oh, Jenifas, if I like to show, say I had it.
Papa. How you doing now?
Fine.
Chop alone, die alone.
Which one is that one now? Shebi, you say that you want. Which one is chop alone, die alone? We are take.
Thank you. Ah, Papa.
Papa, I did very happy for you and Hassan. Eh? So, una two done the date, abi?
Yes, now. I've said yes to you. I don't keep my drink. What's the meaning of that?
I think I use her and step down and may not press straight throat. So, una done the date, abi?
Yes, now.
So, una the date the same place una dey work?
No, that's not what I mean, no. I just said that I agreed to be his friend.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
But Hassan like you well now. Eh? So tell me, self, what Hassan they like from Salima?
Yes. I don't know what's the meaning of that now.
Now the last one now. Make I just drink. I'm not gonna drink again.
Hassan like his woman to be cow. He like woman that does not do too much makeup. He like woman that do braid hair and braid wig. There's even this perfume set that he bought for me. He likes the smell, so he now went to buy it for me. Wait, let me show you. Look at it. This is it.
He smell nice, so.
And it's not expensive, oh. He just like his woman to be using it so that she can smell nice.
He even be like, say, this Hassan, he don't mind making a woman with a big, like you and me.
Yes, so he does not mind at all. See, he even used to say this thing that beauty is in the eyes of the person that hold it. See, he even like his woman to be full.
Hey, okay now. Papa, let's cheers to this now.
Cheers to
what? Make a taste more. Relax.
I don't quit my drink job.
Diary, 25 million naira. All for Jenifa. Ha! I no go sleep this night too. Now inside you, diary, I go just the roads. Hi, hey shy, go just the roads. Ha! 25 million naira. Na last of billionaire I give you. No, na still million. Ha! What I could use this money to? Diary. How I spent this money? I make I travel all over the world. Make I become Jenifa's travel all over the world. Jenifa's travel all over the world. Ha! I could go China, Malaysia, talk, interview. I don't go London before. I don't go Dubai before. America. In fact, Daddy, if Honyibo Embassy, yes, I have 25 million, they could just give me visa. They just say, Jenifa, you're a millionaire. Here's your visa. Hey! Ha! $25 million naira for Sinahoma, no. Chiwagon. And you see me bazaar, I lost your game, my Bensley, no. Little. Chiwagon, go little. Ah! I know if you know, my head is punk. I not since I could sleep this night. 25 million. Abi make I bid house for village ni? No. I don't bid house for my papa now. It's in remainder. I should be my own house, no. I don't want need house. Abi I should Google what I can use 25 million naira for. Idea. Okay, Google DM. 25 million Jenifa. Millionaire. Now, so I could talk to them. Hello, my name is Jenifa. I'm a millionaire CEO, Jenifa here. Talk to me with respect. Hey. Today, I go sweet for work. Make everything dey pram. Okay, we can put some on because just one fire. That's it too much. Not to like makeup, I not put on too much. Fine girl, no pimples. Now make I can't give them finishing touch. Parfum. That go here today. Hey, make I can't finish everything. A parfum now go take bath. Nothing mega. Hey, Adaku, let's go. Everywhere. Hey! Today go be like bee and honey. Adaku, this is time for the seduction. You self need to learn the game. Hassan. I do sabi. I dey go work. Hey.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Welcome to Jenifa Seals. How may I help you?
I want to make my hair and I want Brazilian hair.
Okay, ma. We have different types of Brazilian hair. Please come with me. Let me show you around.
Okay.
This way, ma.
Good morning,
Good morning, Adaku.
How you doing?
Adaku. This is your very big fiber.
Thank you.
I fit you well.
Hey.
See.
Okay, Adaku. Okay, this smell, I know this perfume, pa.
Hey,
Ha.
you know him.
I know.
You like it?
I like him way.
Make I show you now. See, this perfume.
And I him now, I like him way. Okay, this is the kind of perfume that I like my woman to be rubbing for her body.
This one now my own perfume, and I they wear all the time.
Me, I like him well, pa. Now the kind of perfume where they like me, my girl, they rub him for her body.
Thank you.
You fit you well. I like the smell for your body.
Thank you.
Hassan, customer is waiting for you.
Okay, Adaku, we'll go see later, ko?
No worry, we'll go talk later, eh?
Oh.
I like this one.
Okay, ma. Hassan, please attend to the customer.
Oh, welcome, madam. Come and sit down.
Okay.
Miss Jennifer, please, do you have anything to say about this?
Look at this. I just want to say thank you. Finished.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Papa, you've collected the new hair.
Yes, I want to go and arrange it in the store now.
Okay.
Papa, I been on the wait for you since make we go chop food.
I'm not eating, thank you.
Why now?
Nothing. I want to be using that time to arrange the hair.
But Yarinya, but you can do the arranging later, man.
I said I'm not eating now.
Papa, why you just squeezing your face for me now?
I do not say anything. Did I say anything now?
No, well, since you thought say you no go chop food, make I go chop food.
Hassan, you won't go chop?
Yes, I will go chop.
Abeg, wait for me now. Maybe we go chop together. I go soon finish with this customer.
Yeah, Adaku, me I dey very hungry, pa.
Abeg, I go soon finish, eh?
I go just wait for you because I don't promise you say I go buy you food pack.
I know now.
Sorry, just hurry up.
Hassan, are you not going with Paupau?
How will I go in with her? She thought say she doesn't want to chop food.
Shey na every time they go chop together.
Yes, neither they go chop together because they dey together safe.
Who they follow this thing talk?
When they worry you.
Who they follow this thing talk?
I beg, do the work you want before you ask nonsense question up and down.
I don't even get your time.
I beg.
Abeg. Auntie, put your left foot. Abeg, what you concern them? All these bad people.
Don't go.
James, don't worry. Let me just wait small. Not finish.
So you mean you sealed a 25 million naira hair deal?
Yeah. Now, Makuso, now he help me negotiate some with me. I dey negotiate some rubbish. And sorry, say I not today. I want you to mature first.
That's not a problem. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
But please spend the money wisely.
25 million naira. I go spend that for wisely. What do I want to be for?
You know what? Let's make a list.
List of what?
Of how you will spend the money.
You want to plan how I spend the money? My money for me. Oh yeah,
okay, look. I want you to expand your business and put money into it. Then you use the little money that is remaining to buy a piece of land at Eminent Estate Phase 2. So you can be developing it little by little.
To be that same Phase 2. It's a good idea. Very good. Thank you. I got it.
You know?
I have my plan. No worry, everything will go well.
What plans are
they are coming. Tinini, say you have paid the money into my account, the check.
Yes, I have.
I never see a last.
I've already paid, and I've also informed the account officer, so you should get the alert soon.
Okay, the alert.
Yes.
Make we get out today because plan plenty.
We've made a list of everything.
Are you serious?
Fancy plenty for today. Everybody told them when they finish with their question, make everybody enter my office. I have meeting with everybody. Plan day.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
What
ma.
plans?
I got it. Are you sure? Yeah, the 35 million naira deal. We got plan for it tonight.
I know Hassan has gone to eat, but where is Adaku?
They went together.
Why would you follow him? Since when did they start going together to eat?
Now it's how they talk since so Adaku. I don't know now they find these days.
James, there's no big deal in that now. Hassan normally buys me food when Papa doesn't feel like going to eat.
Eliza, now a big deal though. Now they talk. See you. I can tell you the truth. Hold your boyfriend though. Make you not continue your boyfriend for your eye. They shine your eye where.
Did I tell you Hassan is my boyfriend? We're just friends though. And Jenifa has already warned us not to be dating inside the saloon. Please don't put me into trouble.
Maybe they deny nonsense here. They'll tell your boyfriend for your eye, go shock you.
James, stop it now. Do you want us to lose our job? You know it's one of the rules in this place not to date each other. James.
Hassan, the food is sweet. You be correct first.
Papa, I buy for you food, maybe you go eat it later.
I even told him to buy fish because I know you like fish.
Hassan, I've been calling your phone since.
Oh, you dey put inside local room and they give and charging.
Auntie Jenifa wants you to come and be tagging the new year.
Okay, I don't hear you. I can't chop your food. Oh?
I'll eat it.
How about Papa? If I don't do anything where they make you best, how about I dey sorry, man?
You are sorry.
Yes, I did sorry, man. Even though I don't know anything I do, pa, but make we just forget and move forward, yeah? You eat your food, yeah?
What is all this, Adaku? Can't you finish with me and do your text message later?
Auntie, no vex. Now my sister picking now well. So now share the same message too.
What nonsense! Someone is sick and you're smiling.
They try to make her happy now.
Just be fast about it and answer me.
They come. Adaku! I don't hear now. I don't already finish. Auntie, I beg, no vex. They come.
You buy me chicken, you even buy fish. I've forgiven you. Adaku. Hassan, thank you for the food today and for liking my hair. But I want more. I want to be with you forever. I love you.
Thank you so much for coming, ma.
You're welcome.
Well done, Auntie. Bye. Stingy woman. See the way they hail her. They holler in there. He not even fit drop shinkily money shishi.
I saw that go to beg, beggy up and down.
Coward! Why you not mention my name? If you not say that your mama papa born you, you for mention my name.
Wait till I don't talk.
Try me now.
Yeah.
Waiting.
Should we know what you are doing, Abi? You are asking me questions to your own advantage. Don't worry, there's no problem. But if you know you like yourself, don't step outside Sky Mall today, oh.
Hey, I talk am, Abi. Hey, I talk am. You don't deny, you don't declare for your eye now, Abi. You know it's not active, now they follow the drag since.
I hope say not be me you dey follow talk. I hope say not be me because I go show you something today.
Come, I call anybody name for you.
You not go feed now.
The rule is, do not fight inside the saloon. But that does not mean that we will not fight at all. See, we'll meet outside.
Papa, what is the problem?
I don't know, but if you know you like her, tell her not to go outside today.
Adaku.
Waiting.
Why they Adaku me? Why you dey Adaku me? Shall na me dey shout? Na me dey talk? You don't see the person when they talk for your front? You hear my voice? Because I don't know.
And Paupau, what will happen now?
You better leave me alone.
Do anything.
My brother, now we ask.
What is going on?
How I go tell no? No be you get rabies dog. Una saw say customer no dey downstairs.
No more customer, ma.
You are so you locked door. Most select ku follow.
Yes, ma.
All right, straight to the point. My heart is very sweet and happy. Because where I dey come from, I never think say I go get to this place. I thank my creator. And I want to thank you people of Jenifasdiary for the hard working. I appreciate on you all. Through thick and thin, all of you stood by me. I appreciate on you. Though something good have happened to me, so I want to celebrate some. Yeah, there's celebration which I want all of you to come together with celebration from tonight. Yeah.
Jennifer,
yeah.
What you going to celebrate now?
Now, good news. Something with the sweet me as I sit down like this, they think how they sweet my belly. You know, they do me like me. I just the igara, you know.
Say, Jennifer, been your birthday.
You don't know the date of my birthday.
It's happy your birthday now, but.
So why you call the talk?
I be person don't propose give you no.
Video please. I know say you go talk rubbish. I want to propose her. I tell you that the person toasted me.
No, na good.
One if you want to sit down my front, Paupau, move here from my front.
They get any better thing they talk.
In fact, Tinini, sit down, go and stood.
I never.
Today, if you always stand dust, I don't want you near me.
Move. No, they push me. No, they push me.
You don't know pastor the gossip. You dey talk proposal. You know say they hear all the thing when they talk, they mucus, everything. I dey hear you. I dey hear you. Yes.
I know be hypocrite like that too.
Idiot.
Bad behavior na smoky this.
Oh, Nigba no see some. I dey praise tonight, and then they yarn dust. If I kioriki for you, give you your woriki, your headache of your village. So let me just continue the happy mood before these people spoil my mood. I dey celebrate on the promotion of Jenifasdiary. International company have come to sign Jenifa. They have given us a year deal. Hey? Wow. Big money. And because of this, I want to put bonus there, everybody. You people working hard. Thank you. And we have to party at this night. This one where our God don't carry forward like this. All of us must follow like this. Yeah.
Congratulations, ma.
Thank you very much.
In fact, Auntie Jennifer, before this year existing finish, more contract will enter this year.
Thank you, Abuki. So, I want everybody to dress very well. That boutique is like Sky Mall here. Tinini go follow the all of you body go bust clothes.
Okay, party after party.
Makeup artists go come make up everybody. Hey, slave mama, here we come. Why are this one what they do? Anyway, that is it, sir. Go now to the boutique, close, go to the boutique and dress up and be happy. Tinini go give you fanny. In fact, Tinini give them cab. We'll go carry all of them.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma.
I want the dress when I want the one with the show belly.
No, you follow me.
Okay, come.
Oh, yeah, come on,
Your leg is our leg today. Party after party.
What's party?
Adaku crazy. No go there, go hit that monkey.
See, now so you go be, pa. Be waiting you think.
Before I'm so you go be.
Why are you guys dragging your feet now? Hurry up. May I still have lots of things to do today.
Wait till yourself. I'll be small picking. They follow you for back.
Timini, wait first. See, make I tell you something. Me, I want jeans, original jeans. Then I want shirt where I go use top the jeans. Then lastly, I want original polo con canvas.
Mr. Man, the budget for each person is 50,000 naira.
Lying machine. Okay, let me tell you something. Me and you know that, James and you know that, Auntie Jennifer definitely give you more than that.
You collect that money, tell them now. Yes. You know.
Now listen. Auntie Jennifer gave me 50,000 naira to bring you and the ladies for shopping. Now please don't waste my time, okay? I still have to go and pay for the venue.
Oh, yeah, show us the money. We'll see him.
Yo, show us the money.
Wait, so you think I'm lying?
Oh, guy, you two they talk too much. Show us the money, one.
Show us now. Don't worry yourself. Open the bag. We'll see.
Okay, now, no problem. I'll show you the money. I'm transparent, okay? See, this is it. Anyways, let's go inside. Let's go and do the shopping quickly and leave this place.
Martin, they go. Don't worry. I get lots of WhatsApp use.
What are you saying?
Shebi, you don't give us the money now.
Look, that is not the instruction. Let us go inside now.
Lying machine, let me tell you something. They call me Minister of Clothing, AKA Swagu Master. Okay, I am going to wear my wardrobe for house.
Look, I am warning you. That is not the instruction from Auntie Jennifer. Let us go inside and do the shopping. Oh.
That means they go, they follow you for back.
You're why?
They go, they follow you.
Better.
Catch us if you can now. Try yourself.
You catch us now. If your leg will allow you, catch us.
James! Hassan! You two joined him, Abi?
No, I didn't join him. He joined me.
Jennifer can't